Hey! Woo! Mama, hi Mama. Mama eating fruit. Hi Mama. Mama eating mixed fruit. Don't touch my butt. You bloody fool. Come, we swift because Shakil love this one. Don't adik. Okay, Shakil love this one. Adik take this one. Yes. Shakil love the white one. A little bit. Okay, a little bit. Okay, adik. Oh my God, adik. Come on. Shakina, can you just eat your fruit? Don't. Why you really have a JK attitude, you know? You eat your fruit. Don't take the fruit belong to anyone. Okay? Don't take Shaki fruit after she smash your head, you know. Shaki eat all the colours, left the white one. Adik, you want some more? Okay, take some more. Don't take all bloody food. Okay, Shakina eat too slow.